Hi, this is N9BC, and I'm hoping somebody can help me out to figure out what's going on here. This is 80 meters, and I'm getting a pile of noise. Pretty much the entire band of S9 plus 10 dB. The antenna's up about 45 feet. It's a dipole, and what I've done so far is shut everything off in the house from the main and powered the radio up via a battery, and it's still there. So I'm not sure if it's well, obviously it's outside, but maybe somebody can give me some pointers or tips or something to track this down a little bit more. But here's a sample of what it is. As you can see, it's we'll start at 4 megahertz and go all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, it's pretty nasty. It's pretty much unusable unless you're a neighbor or something. But if you can help me out, that'd be great. Thanks a lot.